Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to cook a Korean 3-course meal for a BTS fan with whom I'm going to answer a few BTS related questions. Not only that, but she has to do a blindfold taste test and guess what I have prepared for her. And I have a perfect person for this challenge since our today's army has already visited Busan in South Korea, and I guess you all know what's tasty in Busan. So before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. I guess this video is a bit longer, so I might divide it into two parts. I know BTS always mention they love pizza, hamburger and hot dogs, but I thought it's common, so let's try to make their favorite Korean food. They all love bulgogi, which is a barbecue meat dish. So to replicate the milk in bulgogi, which is usually beef, I'm going to use dried shiitake mushroom, which I washed once. I'm going to rehydrate it by soaking the mushrooms in 1 glass of water. Keep it aside for at least 1 hour. Till then, let's make the marination. I'm using half a pear without the skin. Add it into the blender. To that, add half cup of onion, 6 cloves of garlic and blend. Transfer it into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon honey and whisk. Then add 1 teaspoon salt, pepper and 1 tablespoon spring onion greens. Mix and keep it aside. Now the mushrooms are nice and plump. Squish it and remove the extra water. It's low-key satisfying. Don't throw this water since we will use this as a broth for our next recipe. Cut out the stem part and now slice this mushroom in slant direction like so. According to me, these slices look exactly like meat, so I guess I did a good job here. Add the sliced shiitake mushroom in a bowl. Add half cup of sliced button mushrooms, 1/4 cup each of julienne carrot and onion. And then add the marination. Let it marinate for 1 hour. It smells amazing already. Since I don't have a barbecue, I'm going to cook it over open flame, placing a grill. Add the mushrooms over it and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. For the dip, I'm quickly mixing 1 tablespoon of Korean soybean paste with 1 tablespoon gochujang, which is the Korean chili paste. The recipe will be up on YouTube Shorts. Mix, serve and enjoy. You can literally see the grill marks on the mushroom like you would on any meat. I absolutely love how it looks. The taste test will be done later along with the 3 courses together. I'm serving it with pride. Before starting the second course, I want to talk about one gaming app. As you all know, IPL is already started, so I've got the best contactless fantasy gaming app for you, that is Nostar Pro. Nostar Pro is a sports fantasy and prediction app. You can earn by playing in Indian T20 League. It's available on Android, iOS as well as your computers. When you register for the first time, you get ₹100 sign up bonus. Also use Nostar Pro 500 code to get ₹500 extra bonus, and when you deposit your money, you will get 100% bonus as well. Here you can play various games like cricket, football, tennis, hockey, kabaddi and many more. There are 2 ways of playing. First, the pick format where you can earn by predicting the answers of few IPL related questions. Second is the dream team where you have to make your dream team of 11 best players. Here you will get points and money by the performance of your selected team. There are also important features like you can make a team directly via app screenshot. You can switch on the alert on every match as well. You can withdraw your earned money through Paytm and bank account. The app is available in Hindi, English and Telugu. Link is in the description box below. Download and install the Nostar Pro app fast, register and earn money in Indian T20 League. For the main course, I'm making black bean noodles, that is jajangmyeon. A lot of you requested it and it's one of their favorites. So I'm going to try and make everything from scratch, like the black bean paste to kalguksu, that is knife cut noodles. For the paste, in a pan add 1/4 cup of oil, 4 spicy red chilies and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute for 5 to 6 minutes and let it cool down. I soaked 3/4 cups of black beans yesterday, that is approximately for 18 hours. Washed it for 2 to 3 times and then boiled it in the cooker till 5 whistles. This is how it looks without soaking. This is the leftover water after soaking. I think it had a lot of color over it, like pulses पे या किसी भी सब्जी पे color चढ़ाते हैं to make it look fresh, or I don't know if it's like this only. I never had black bean noodles, so fingers crossed. Now add 1 cup of boiled black beans in a mixer. To that add the ginger garlic we tempered. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon each of red wine vinegar, sugar and salt. Blend it into smooth consistency. Again, I'm going to replicate the meat with soybean. Soak the soybeans in water for 10 minutes and just saute it in a pan till it's browned enough. For the jajangmyeon sauce, add 2 tablespoons sesame oil in a wok, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 tablespoon of green onion. Saute for a minute, then add 1 cube cut onion, 1/4 cup cabbage and saute till the onions are translucent. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of the black bean paste. Mix and add 1/4 cup of button mushrooms. Mix again. Add the sauteed soybeans. Mix it in. Now add the mushroom stock from the last recipe. Add 1 teaspoon sugar to balance the dish. Mix, then add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Mix and add 1/4 cup of corn flour slurry to thicken the sauce. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and your black bean sauce is ready. For the knife cut noodles, in a bowl add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon oil and half cup of water. Mix and knead it on a tabletop for 10 to 15 minutes or until it becomes smooth. Cover it with a cling wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for overnight. I did this along with soaking the beans yesterday itself. So now sprinkle flour on a chopping board. Flatten out the dough. Use a rolling pin for that. This is the thickness you want. Again, sprinkle flour. You will need a lot of flour to avoid the dough from sticking. Fold the dough like so. And sprinkle the flour over each fold. Using a very sharp knife, cut thin strips out of it. Separate each strips, which becomes your noodles. Looks amazing, right? To cook the noodles, add 1 teaspoon salt in boiling water. Add the noodles and cook it for 5 minutes. Immediately transfer it into cold water with ice to remove the extra starch. Serve it with black bean sauce and garnish with julienne cut cucumbers. It turned out super black. It's kind of muddy, which I am skeptical about. Now though I'm sure beans mein color tha, but it's fine. Maybe the difference in the quality. So we have to work with what we have. For the dessert course, they absolutely love ice creams, but again not Korean. So I'm making their favorite Korean street food dessert, hotta. For the dough, add 1 tablespoon sugar and half cup of warm milk. Mix and add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let it rise for 10 minutes. In a bigger bowl, add 1.5 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix and slowly add the yeast mixture. Knead it for nice 10 to 15 minutes. Let the dough rest for 2 hours. For the filling, I'm going with a classic. In a bowl, add half cup of brown sugar with 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. You can also add any chopped nuts if you like. I'm skipping it. Once the dough is doubled in size, apply oil on your palm and take a small portion out of it. Flatten it out. Add the filling in the center. Fold and close it like a ball. On a hot pan, add oil, place the folded side down, flip it after a minute and press it like so. Cook it from the other side for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's golden brown. They turned out really good and it smells like heaven. The video is incomplete without Jungkook's favorite banana milk. Add 2 chopped bananas in the blender, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 cup of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoon water and blend. For serving, add ice, pour your banana milk and just enjoy. Our 3-course meal with 2 bonus drinks is ready. Looks and smells amazing. I hope our today's army enjoys this delicious spread too. As mentioned earlier, the blindfold taste test and the BTS related Q&A will be out on Thursday, so get excited for that. Try these delicious recipes and let me know what you think about today's challenge. Also, today's shout out goes to Chitrantana S, Sukun Botra, Pranali Patil, Archana Sen and Gurveen Jasmeen. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video. Tell me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.